In this video, we'll be telling about how to create word collage in smartphone. For this, you need to install one application. App link is given in the description. App name is Word Cloud. After installing this application, open this application. When you are opening this application, you can see an interface like this. If you want to create new word cloud, what you need to do is, here you can see one option, new cloud. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you can see so many options. From this, you can select whichever you want. If it is for birthday wishes, you can select this birthday wishes option. Likewise, so many options are there. You can select whichever you want. For example, I am selecting birthday wishes. After selecting that, here you can see word collage. If you want to edit words in this, what you need to do is, down here you can see words option. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you can see every words in that collage. If you want to remove any words, just click on this cross button and that word will be removed. If you want to add any word, what you need to do is, here type the word which you want to add. After that, here you can see plus button. Click on this plus button and that word will be added. After that, go back. And if you want to change shape, you can do that also. Here shape option is there. Here you can see so many shapes. You can select whichever you want. For example, I am selecting this shape. When you are selecting that, you can see word collage in that shape. After that, if you want to change color, here colors option is there. You can select whichever color combination you want. For example, I am selecting this color combination. After that, go back. Now you can see word collage in that color combination. If you want to change fonts, you can do that also. Here you can see fonts option. Click on this option. And from here, you can select whichever font you want. You can select more than one font because so many words are there in that collage. Anyways, I am selecting 5 fonts. After that, go back. Now you can see collage in that fonts. After that, if you want to save, what you need to do is click on these 3 dots. When you are clicking on that, you can see export to PNG option. Click on this export to PNG. If you are using this application for the first time, you need to give permissions. Click on allow. When you are clicking on that, that image will be saved. If you are going to gallery, you can see that photo in gallery. This is the photo I have saved. Here no watermark of that app is there, so you can use this anywhere you want. If you want to share this directly, you can do that also. Click on these 3 dots and here you can see share option. After clicking on that share button, you can share this through any apps. So this way you can easily create word collage in your smartphone itself. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.